Hello, my name is Sarah, and this is Park Your Biology channel. This channel was created to inspire people to enjoy and learn about biology. We will delve deep into the wonders of biology from the smallest cell to the immense complexity of human anatomy and ecosystem, preparing you for your OL exams and beyond. So, what is biology? Biology is the study of living organisms. And what are living organisms? They are plants, animal, human, and microorganisms. Actually, microorganisms need a microscope to observe and study. Now, with the question why? Why they are called living? In order for something to be considered living, it must fulfill a specific criteria. And those criteria are true for all living organisms. You can remember these criteria by using Mrs. Grin. Look, M is for movement, R for respiration, while S is for sensitivity, and we have the H for homeostasis. And G is for growth, R is for reproduction. Then we have the E, which is for excretion. And finally, N is for nutrition. Now, if something does not carry out all of these life processes, it's not alive. First of all, is the movement. Movement is an action all living organisms must do to stay alive and survive within their ecosystem. All living organisms, especially human animals, move from one place to another, searching for food, water, and shelter. Even plants, they can move upward or downward within their position in the same place where they are. Second, we have the respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is a chemical reaction happened within all of living organisms, especially within their cells. Why this happened? To release the energy that is needed to perform all of the life processes. In this reaction, the glucose is burned by the help of oxygen inside your cells to produce water, carbon dioxide, and the master of this reaction is the ATP. We need the ATP. About sensitivity, it is the ability that gives you the chance to detect and respond to stimuli within your environment. And of course, for all living organisms, this gives them the best chances for survival within their ecosystem. They able to grasp the information and detect what is going on within their surrounding, and they give the proper response for every action. They have their own reaction, so it's important. For human, we have the nervous system and the endocrine system. Both of them allow the human to respond to their environment. If we look to the sensitivity in the plant, it's a little different. It's controlled by chemicals. And most of these chemicals move or respond to the changes in the environment. Whatever this change may be, light or the gravity, responding to light is called phototropism, where the plant moves toward the sunlight source, while responding to gravity is called geotropism, where only roots move toward the gravity, while stem and leaves away from the gravity. So we have the phototropism and geotropism allow plants to respond to their environment. This is a kind of sensitivity to the changes in the surrounding. About homeostasis, you have to know that all living organisms must control their internal environment in order to keep conditions within required limits. For example, if you look to the thermoregulation inside your body, if your body's temperature become above the normal, above 37, your body starts sweating. While if your body temperature below the optimum temperature 37, you start shivering. This action of shivering allow the particles to move, juggling, vibrate faster to increase your body temperature again. Now, if you look to the plants, the plant also use the transpiration to maintain a suitable temperature by removing the reproduction. Reproduction is the process of producing new individual, new offspring, new babies. This conserve the survival of the population. We have two main examples of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. For sexual reproduction, we have two parents, so we have variation in the offspring. While in the asexual reproduction, we only have one parent, so we have exact copies for all of the generation. Finally, excretion is the removal of toxic material and substances that may form during the metabolic reaction. All of these waste material are so harmful for your body. That's why we have the urinary system and a lot of system and a lot of body parts that get rid of these waste material. We have the urinary system to remove the urine from your body, and we exhale carbon dioxide during respiration. That's all for today about the life characteristic. I want you to answer this question and leave me the answers in the comment section below this video.